fam, welcome to my kitchen. Today I said let me try this vegetarian recipe, Fetri Toto. I don't know whether I've mentioned it right or not, but before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video, click on the bell icon. We'll start by, I'm going to grill this fish, so I'm just adding salt and seasonings to it. Then I'll also add oil, bit of oil to it, apply it all over, and then I'm going to grill it in my gas oven. That is going to be the fish that I will use. Okay, please like and share this video for me and leave a comment. If today is your first time watching my video, please don't go without saying something. Even if it's just an emoji, that's fine. If you are a returning subscriber too, I say thank you for returning. Share this video for me, okay? And I really appreciate you taking time to watch my video. So I'm going to apply oil on my rack also to enable me to turn the fish when I want to. And I'm going to place this in my gas oven. So yes, okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I added beef to my saucepan and wile. I'm going to boil them, and I'm going to boil this ingredient to okra, onions, tomatoes, adding peppers, and then I'm going to add turkey berry, which is optional. So I added a bit of dawa dawa to it, yes, and I'm going to cook this. Okay, so this is it after cooking, and the next thing I'm going to do is to grind it. I added ginger to it, so I'm going to start by grinding the peppers, the onions, the dawa dawa, ginger, and turkey berries. Yes, so I'll grind everything smoothly. And then the next I'm going to do is to add also the rest of the onions and the tomatoes to it, and then grind them perfectly. Okay, so please share, like and share this video for me, okay? Leave a comment, even if it's an emoji. I am so okay with it. So I'm going to add my okras to it. Now you can decide that your okra, you cut them into pieces and boil, and that makes the blending easier. Yes, it makes it a bit easier compared to blending it as a whole like this. Yes, if you cook it this way and then you blend it or you grind it, it's a bit stressful. Okay, so I've added everything to it. Now I'm going to add salt also to it, a little bit of salt, or just adjust the quantity to your preference. Okay, so I have going to place my saucepan on fire, added palm nut oil. I'm going to add, this is the fish after grilling. Yes, this is the fish. Now I'm going to add onions to the oil on fire. I added the beef that I cooked. I'm going to add the wile to the wile. Unfortunately, I cooked this very soft, so cook yours the way you want. I just added a little bit of seasoning also to it. I'm going to add the fish that I grilled also to it, and then I'm going to stir fry it for about 2 minutes, and that'll be okay. So I'll just cover, yes, I'll cover it for a minute, yes, and then that is it. So at this point, I'm going to take it off fire. Yes, I'm going to take it off, and then we are going to add it to our blended mixture in. Yes, so this is it. So basically this is Fetri Toto. I don't know, like I said, if I've mentioned it right or not. So this is it. I'll add a little bit of oil. So I also s- fried a bit of oil. Yes, and I'm going to add it to it. Yes, okay. So guys, this is it. So very simple. Okay, you can add the protein of your choice to it. Okay, so this is it, you see. So after this you are done, you can serve this with your banku. Your banku, yes. So this is it, guys. You can serve it with banku, but I serve this with teasers. So what I'm adding is teasers. So this is it, Charlie, and it tasted great, I must confess. Now, my Fetri Toto is a bit thick, so you can decide to add a little bit of the water you used in boiling the ingredients to it to loosen up a little. And fam, that is it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.